Hey there, it's Bill Farquharson. Do you know what the phrase sharpen the saw means? I'm not sure if it's a Stephen Covey original, but he talks about it in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And he talks about coming across this guy who was cutting a tree down with a dull blade. And he says, well, why don't you stop and sharpen the saw? And the guy says, I can't. I'm working too hard. I got to get this tree down. Well, one of the things that you can do that will last a lifetime is to study your craft, to become a better salesperson. And on Thursday, the 9th of June at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the fabulous Kelly Malazzi and I will be running yet another short attention span webinar as an exclusive for the regional print affiliates. This is something we do for no one else. And of course, the replays are available. You can see the ones that we've done so far this year. And we encourage you to show up to this. It's 15 to 20 minutes of the two of us, in this case, giving you some great suggestions about how to sharpen your saw. And then we have as much Q&A as you want on any subject. So please join us on the second Thursday of every month. The 9th of June is what's coming up next. And we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.